Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how is this person always winning? They don't just walk into the room, they own it. No flash, no flex, but everything about them screams success. Now, here's the real kicker. It's not luck, connections, or some secret billionaire gene. It's because they follow rules so powerful they never break them. And if you want real wealth, neither should you. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Let's quickly get started. Number 1. Own more than you owe. Legendary investor Warren Buffett once said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need." When you own more than you owe, you're building a foundation for lasting wealth and financial security. It's like planting seeds that grow into a forest of opportunities, shielding you from the storms of economic uncertainty. Many people fall into the trap of borrowing beyond their means, drowning in debts that cripple their financial freedom. The effects are profound: stress, limited opportunities for growth, and a constant struggle to make ends meet. Focus on accumulating assets that appreciate and generate income to secure your financial future. Remember, owning more than you owe isn't just about wealth, it's about freedom and security. Number 2. Never let money sleep. Make every dollar work. If your money isn't moving, you're standing still. And in today's economy, standing still is equal to falling behind. Billionaires don't let a single dollar go idle. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, rental income, digital assets, or businesses, they ensure every dollar they own is a soldier fighting for their empire. According to a Vanguard study, people who start investing even small amounts in ETFs and mutual funds from their 20s grow 40x more wealth than those who wait until their 40s. That's not motivation, that's math. Use tools like auto-debit SIPs, systematic investment plans, to automate wealth building. Split your savings into 3 buckets: short-term safety, FDs or high-yield savings; mid-term growth, mutual funds; long-term wealth, stocks, REITs, ETFs. Ask yourself, how many of your dollars are unemployed today? Are they sitting in a bank, or are they building your future? But here's the twist. Even people who invest often fall into one silent trap that drains their wealth without making a noise. Want to know what it is? Let's dive into Rule Hash 3. Never fall in love with one source of income. Most people think a good job is security. But ask yourself, if your one income source dries up tomorrow, how long can you survive? The rich rule is never depend on one income stream. It's like walking a tightrope with no safety net. Millionaires on average have 7 sources of income. This includes dividends, real estate, royalties, digital products, stocks, businesses, and side hustles. Turn your skills into cash. Can you teach online? Sell templates? Freelance? Productize your knowledge? Start investing. $300/month in a solid ETF with 10% KAGR will turn into $600, 000 plus in 30 years. One income is a liability. Multiple incomes give you stability. The rich don't hustle harder, they hustle smarter and wider. Number 4. Never let lifestyle rise faster than income. Rahul, a startup guy, began earning big, $150,000 annually. Within months, Apple gadgets, European trips, a new Tesla, and a penthouse. But here's what no one saw: credit card debt, EMIs, 0 investments. Then came a recession, clients vanished, income slashed, lifestyle stayed, debt exploded. Mistake Rahul does is he didn't grow rich, he just got better at looking rich. 60% of Americans earning over $100K per year live paycheck to paycheck. That's not a money problem, that's a mindset problem. Always grow your investment graph faster than your lifestyle graph. Follow the 50-30-20 rule, but modify it. 50% needs, 30% investments, 20% lifestyle. Every time your income increases, increase your SIP, not your EMI. Delay luxury by 6 months. If you still want it and it doesn't affect your goals, go for it. True wealth is invisible. If you always look rich, chances are you're not. But what if your inner circle is the real reason you're not getting rich? Yes, let's talk about Rule Hash 5 and you won't see your friends the same way again. Never surround yourself with financially lazy people. If your friends don't talk about money, growth, and building empires, you're in the wrong circle. According to a Harvard study, Your income is likely to be within 10% of your 5 closest friends. Energy is contagious. Sit with 5 lazy people, you'll be the 6th. Sit with 5 growth-driven people, your future explodes. Audit your circle. Who drains you? Who builds you? Join online growth communities on X, Reddit finance subs, Discord investment groups, local meetups. Replace gossip with growth. Send financial podcasts instead of memes. Your environment silently decides your net worth. Protect your circle like your fortune depends on it, because it does. Rule number 6. Invest in what you understand, ignore the hype. In 2021, crypto is booming. NFTs are the rage. People are mortgaging homes to buy monkey JPEGs. Meet Nikhil. FOMO hit him hard. He poured $8,000 into hype tokens because everyone's doing it. By 2023, his portfolio was worth $500. Now, meet Isha. While everyone chased hype, she quietly studied the basics of the stock market, invested in ETFs and dividend-paying stocks. Her portfolio grew steadily. The rich don't chase shiny trends, they chase clarity. They'd rather miss 10 opportunities than lose capital in one they didn't understand. Follow Warren Buffett's golden rule. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. Learn before you leap. If you don't understand how it works, don't invest. Knowledge builds confidence and protects capital. Number 7. Use debt as a tool, not a trap. What if I told you that debt isn't your enemy? It's your ally if you use it wisely. Most people think of debt as something to avoid at all costs, but the wealthy understand that when used strategically, debt can be a powerful tool for growth. Seeing debt intelligently can help you leverage opportunities that accelerate your wealth building, while mismanaging it can trap you in a cycle of stress and financial chaos. The key is knowing when to use debt to enhance your wealth and when to avoid falling into the emotional trap of overborrowing. Oprah Winfrey used debt in the early stages of her career to fund her media ventures, which later skyrocketed her into the billionaires club. Use debt as leverage for growth, not as a quick fix for immediate gratification. The right kind of debt can fuel your wealth-building journey, but emotional debt is a road to financial ruin. Number 8. Move in silence. Let results speak. Too many people talk a big game about their plans and ambitions, but the wealthy know that actions speak louder than words. When you move in silence, focusing on your goals and results, you build real wealth. Constantly seeking validation and talking about your success before it's even achieved only distracts you from the real work. This is the difference between building something substantial and just creating noise. Tim Ferriss mentions in his book, The 4-Hour Workweek, focus on being productive instead of busy. Beyoncé, known for her intense focus and low-profile approach during the creation of her albums, allows her work to speak for itself. Stop announcing your next move and start making it happen. Move quietly, focus on your actions, and let your success speak volumes. As you reflect on this, consider this thought. It's not about the noise you make, but the impact you leave behind. The rules above aren't just financial hacks. They're mindset upgrades. They're the invisible blueprint behind every quiet millionaire. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.